ठंडी ठंडी हवा. It is windy, quite chilly also. But then again, it is December and it is the UK. इतना तो expected था नहीं. ये हो गया जी 360 view and then off we go. Lots of doggos. It's doggos galore. Is it?
504. That's it.
ये था व्यू पॉइंट.
No.
देखो तो सही, you see across there.
अच्छा.
That's the viewpoint. Come.
Okay, I'm coming. Oh या अल्लाह तो खैर करी. सुभान अल्लाह. Allah तेरी.
Blowing me away.
Right, Asher? I literally felt like I was being blown away. Oh, subhan Allah. That is stunning.
क्या बताएं आपको? इस वक्त आप सिर्फ 504 फुट की बुलंदी पे हैं. It's not that high. This place is called Symonds Yacht Viewpoint. This is the original one, the original असली वाला. इसकी ब्रांच कोई नहीं है, ठीक है. और जो दूसरा है वो है alternative. That's with a road view. This is basically a gorge. It's a geological, miracle or a wonder in the Forest of Dean that has developed over, I think, the last 2,500 years. And what really happened is that इसकी जियोलॉजी का एक बोर्ड लगा हुआ है, उससे हमने कुछ सीखा है कि with time the river Wye was crossing through the place and then erosion के साथ कितने सालों बाद जाके ये जगह बनी है. तो ये जो हाइट पे एक जगह ये बन गई है और इसके
ये नेचुरली बनी है. अब ये क्या?
हाँ, ये नेचुरली बनी
ना करो. Now we're going to the alternative route. We're on the way back now. And I think we'll get something to drink and maybe possibly eat as well from the cafe. I hope we can get something to eat because we're all hungry. Open it. Thank you. How do you get into it? Ah!
It smells like donut.
Here's your coffee delivery, sir.
Thank you. What did it say about the pizza?
She said 5 more minutes.